Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Who Want to Be Famous? Tonight's program is very special. We have some very special guests who all possess some kind of special abilities. So sit back, open a bottle of wine, and enjoy the show. Tonight's first guest has experienced the horrors of war. Through this experience, he has developed a very special skill. Please give a hand to Tom Johnson.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Thanks for having me.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
You have some very special skills.
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
Can you tell us a bit about them?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I'm able to draw everything in my memory exactly as I remember it, like a picture.
Oh.
Yes.
Can you show us?
Well, as a matter of fact, I have a drawing that we just put on my
Yes.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Take a look at that.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, I know it's pretty brutal. This was from my trip to Sweden 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, it's amazing. But was it really a dragon?
Oh yeah, the dragon was real. But let me show you another one.
Wow, I'm really impressed.
Yes, thank you. I don't know if you recognize, but this is London 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, oh, I can see that.
It was just a quick drawing I did yesterday.
Wow, I'm really impressed. Is there anything you can't do?
Thank you. Well, yes. As a matter of fact, I have never been able to play the flute.
No?
No.
Oh, I have a flute right here. Would you give it a try?
Well, okay, why not? Let me try.
Okay. We'll have a short break. Cut to commercial. Preview. next guest, he's a magician. Speaking of magic, my ex-wife made all my money disappear. Well, let's give a hand to Mr. Magic. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. If you don't mind, I would like to do a trick right now, a magic trick with you.
Yes.
But you have to sit very, very still, and the audience have to pay attention and be quiet because it's a little dangerous trick. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Great. Let's go. Okay, are you ready? This is my version of the Mad Hatter trick.
That was an amazing trick.
Thank you very much.
Do you have anything more dangerous to show us?
Yes, I have one dangerous trick I've been practicing for 7 years.
Yeah.
It's very, very dangerous, but I think you can handle it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. This requires a lot of concentration. Pull the tip of my finger off. It will hurt, but I've been practicing for it.
Are you ready? Yes.
Ah!
Are you alright?
Yeah, I've been practicing, so my body heals very fast, but it hurts a lot.
Yeah. Let's give him a hand. Thank you very much. That was amazing. Truly amazing. Do you have any final trick you want to show us?
I have one last trick I can show you here before I leave.
Yes.
I don't know if you know this, but before I became a magician, I was a barber. So with a little magic, I'm gonna fix your new mustache.
Alright.
So
I'm ready.
okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week with more people who wants to be famous.